Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Toolbox is probably one of the most versatile storage solutions for anyone who loves to work with tools. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, keeping your tools organized and easily accessible is crucial. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of portable toolboxes with drawers, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. GEARWRENCH 3-Drawer Toolbox, 83151. Introducing the GEARWRENCH 3-Drawer Toolbox. It features a keyed center lock, providing enhanced security for your valuable tools. This ensures everything inside is protected. The toolbox comes with a keyed center lock. This feature adds an extra layer of protection, keeping your tools safe and secure. You can have peace of mind knowing your tools are well protected. The toolbox is coated with a black powder coat finish. This finish is designed to be easy to clean and resists rust and corrosion. It helps to keep it looking great for years to come. The black powder coat finish is not only durable but also easy to clean. Simply wipe it down to remove any dirt or grime. This makes maintenance a breeze. The GEARWRENCH toolbox is built to last. The black powder coat finish helps it resist rust and corrosion. This ensures that it remains in excellent condition, even with regular use. What we like. This toolbox features a keyed center lock, providing enhanced security for your tools. Its black powder coat finish not only looks sleek but also resists rust and corrosion, ensuring durability. If you value the safety of your tools and want a long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Amazing for getting tools neat and organized. Offers portability with a sturdy metal handle and comes with a key for security. The drawers slide smoothly and there is a detent to hold them in while the top is open. Number 4. P.I.T Mini Red Toolbox. Introducing the P.I.T Mini Red Toolbox. This compact toolbox is perfect for home DIY projects and everyday use. It's designed to keep your tools organized and easily accessible. This mini toolbox offers multiple storage options. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. You can also combine it with the 5-drawer micro roll cab. The magnetic tab locking system ensures your tools stay secure. The powerful magnets automatically lock the lid when closed. This design prevents tools from falling out during transport. This toolbox is versatile and suitable for various environments. Use it at home, in the office, or at job sites. It's ideal for storing small tools and accessories. The toolbox features 3 drawers for smooth operation. They provide easy access to your tools. Each drawer is designed for convenient organization. The included liner protects your tools. It creates a moisture barrier, preventing rust. This feature helps extend the life of your tools. The P.I.T Mini Red Toolbox is built to last. It's made from high-quality Q235 steel with a durable red powder coat finish. This makes it easy to clean and maintain. What we like. This mini toolbox boasts a magnetic tab locking system for easy and secure closure. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for daily use. The smooth glide drawers provide easy access to your tools. If you are looking for a compact and convenient toolbox for small tools and accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. Super easy to organize and easy to open. It is well made, has nice drawer slides, solid hinges, and even has the trim on the front edges like the big boxes. Great for pencils, cutters, files, any flat objects. Number 3. Torin TRJF C305 ABD Rolling Garage Toolbox. This is the Torin TRJF C305 ABD, a portable rolling toolbox designed for your garage. It's made of durable steel and plastic, perfect for both home and industrial use. This organizer will keep your tools in order. The toolbox is composed of 3 separate parts, each offering unique storage solutions. The top section is a toolbox with a handle and a removable tray. It provides easy access to your tools. The middle section features 2 slide-out drawers equipped with ball bearings. This ensures smooth and effortless operation when accessing your tools. It makes your work easier. The bottom section includes a tilt drawer and a collapsible handle with a comfort grip. The two wheels make it easy to move around your workspace. You can separate or connect each section based on your needs. With dimensions of 20.5 L x 12.6 W x 28.4 H, it's compact yet offers ample storage. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring its quality and your satisfaction. What we like. This garage workshop organizer is built with steel and plastic, offering a robust and versatile storage solution. The rolling upright trolley design and multiple storage compartments provide excellent organization and portability. If you need a toolbox that can handle both residential and industrial use, this is the perfect option. What people say. It's the perfect size, material, and has just the right amount of storage space and drawers. It can be taken apart in sections, which makes transportation and storage easier. I wanted something that I was able to put most of my tools in, if not all power tools included, and this accomplished that. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN 3-Drawer Portable Tool Chest, CMST 53005RB. This CRAFTSMAN tool chest is perfect for storing your essential hand tools. It's designed for easy portability, making it ideal for any job site. Built with heavy-duty steel, this chest is made to last. You can rely on it to withstand the rigors of daily use. Keep your tools organized and easy to find with 3 shallow drawers. There's also a deeper storage area under the lid for larger items. The drawers feature 25 pounds, full extension steel drawer slides. This allows you to access the entire drawer space with ease. This tool chest comes with a wrench organizer. It helps keep your wrenches neatly arranged and readily accessible. What we like. This tool chest is built with heavy-duty steel construction, ensuring it will last. It includes a wrench organizer and full extension drawer slides for easy access. If you like to keep your hand tools organized and accessible, this portable tool chest is ideal for you. What people say. All the drawers slide easily, and the top has an integrated lock so the drawers can't slide open while it's closed, meaning they won't open while you're walking around carrying this. The 3 spacious drawers glide smoothly and offer ample space for all my tools, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. The built-in wrench organizer is a fantastic addition, ensuring my wrenches are always in order and easy to find. Number 1. DEWALT STAK Double Drawer Tool Storage. This is the DEWALT STAK Tool Storage Organizer. It's designed to keep your tools and small parts organized. It's a great addition to any workshop or job site. Inside, you'll find removable dividers. They are perfect for organizing small bits and accessories. This helps you keep everything in its place. This tool storage unit can handle a maximum load of 16.5 pounds. It's built to withstand the demands of a busy work environment. You can trust it to hold your tools securely. The drawers feature reliable ball bearing slides. These slides ensure smooth operation even with heavy loads. It's built for durability and ease of use. Each unit has a bimaterial handle on top. This handle provides a comfortable grip for easy lifting and carrying. It makes it simple to transport around. You can stack this unit with other TSTAK products. The side latches allow you to customize your storage system. It's a versatile solution for all your storage needs. What we like. This tool storage organizer features removable dividers for customizable organization. It has reliable ball-bearing drawer slides for heavy-duty loads, and a bimaterial handle for comfortable lifting. If you are looking for a toolbox that is easy to customize and stack with other units, this is the one for you. What people say. The ball bearings make it really easy to open and close the drawers, which hold in place thanks to locking mechanism that is easy to open and close with just one finger. Its robust build and stackable design make it incredibly versatile and easy to customize for various storage needs. Drawers slide and lock easily. Sturdy. Easy to organize. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.